afternoon, adventurous seekers. Happy May Day, May 1st. Going out for a little ride. Enjoying the 70-degree weather. I went to stop for gas in town and the gas station didn't have any. Huh. So we'll hit the next one. It's out a couple miles out of town. We don't know where we're going. I'm waiting for my navigator to give me direction. Yeah. I need a lot of direction. So stay tuned and subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hit the like button, leave a comment, ring that little bell. Okay, catch you on the next little clip we're gonna have. We're off and running. Just from a couple days, actually you can, oh, the wind. Notice that almost every day, more leaves are on the trees. They're getting greener and greener, and the pastures are getting greener and greener. Like I said, we don't know where we're going, so we're just enjoying the day. A little short ride just to clear our heads. So stay tuned. Keep watching because we don't know where we're going. Well, we got a few of the gardens. Cloud gardens. Yeah, sure. The cornfields or whatever they're going to plant.
Their gardens.
That's their garden, I guess that's right. But what a beautiful view. Nice. Well, we're in Puxatawny. And we're going to turn on 119, I think, on West Mahoning Street.
No, we are in Mahoning.
Huh?
You said we're going to turn left?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Gilpin.
Yeah.
South Gilpin.
I said we're on.
Oh.
So, we'll see where this brings us. Well, we're coming up to East Mahoning Township or whatever.
Yep.
So I guess we're going to start heading back because we don't know where we are. We're heading south, so I got to guess find a way to head north. We'll see what else we can find. We're on Route 119. Thanks for coming along and keep watching because there's still more to come. I think I can make it underneath that. Yeah, we got that. Oh boy, he's going the same way we are. Our friend is still here, just hanging in the air. Remember from last year's videos, yep, it's still there. Here's a nice view. Woo! Things are getting green. We got a little winding road, so we're almost home. Whee! Only about 10 minutes away from our house. So we're just giving you a view of the road. How nice the roads are for riding. I think this is Dayton Road. Whee! Alrighty. Get you probably one more clip as we pull into home sweet home. Home sweet home. Here we are. Nice little ride today, a beautiful day. We'll let the puppies run around for a while. I'm glad you came along with us, and don't forget, so you don't miss anything, you know what you got to do. Catch you on our next one, maybe tomorrow. It's supposed to be a beautiful day tomorrow.
I think so.
I got 80 degrees right now. All right.